Welcome to another tutorial on this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can migrate your website from one domain to another domain using a plugin called All-in-One WP Migration plugin. So it's a good plugin that you can use if you're dealing with a WordPress website. And of course, you can do that manually in cPanel, and also you can use another plugin called Duplicator plugin. So I have the link in the description if you need to know how you can do that manually in cPanel or use a Duplicator plugin. So I'm going to transfer or migrate to this subdomain lessons.net plus. So I'm going to migrate this website to this domain. So you can see this is a fairly large website, and this is a blank website that we have WordPress already installed on it. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go to hosting account, and we're going to install WordPress on the new domain. So let's say this is a website, WordPress website, and you want to migrate it to another WordPress, another web domain. So all you need to do is install WordPress, and now we are going to use a plugin called All-in-One WP Migration plugin. So you go to plugin, click on add new, and let's find the All-in-One WP All-in-One Migration. So there are so many plugins like that, but we're using this All-in-One WP Migration, and you can see it has more than 3 million active installation, and it's a very good plugin. So at this time, I think the logo has changed, so don't be confused, but it's the same plugin. So just activate it, and we're going to go to the new domain WordPress and install the same plugin. So we're going to export from one, import to the other one using the same plugin. So do the same thing, search for All-in-One Migration, install, and activate. So now we have the plugin installed on both. So we'll go to the old or the first one, and we go to All-in-One WP Migration on the left, and we are going to export the site files, and on the new domain we are going to import into the site. So go back to this and click on exports, so I'm going to click on file, and I'm going to export the file. So it's going to take a while depending on the size of the file, so just be patient. And this site is a little bit fairly large. You can see 300 megabytes, and we can save it to our system, and you can see WPress file. So click on OK, and of course, depending on the size of the file, it's going to take a while to export. So once we export that, we're going to import that to our new website. So as a matter of fact, let me use another domain. I don't want to use the subdomain. I think I will use the netplustraining.com, which is the same thing, by the way. So I'm going to use this netplustraining instead. So you can see netplustraining.com. I have, of course, WordPress installed on it. So I'm going to do the same thing. So we're going to import it. I'm going to close that one and then import it to this one. Click on Add New. And we are going to add the All-in-One Migration. And now install and activate. So now we need to import the file that we just exported from the first site. So click on imports and locate the file import from, and then we are going to import that. So depending on the size of the file, it's going to take a while, like I said. So just be patient and import the file. One thing is the plugin works well if you are working with a very small website. Now, after it's imported, just click on confirm and you're done. So now if we go back to domain, go to the domain and you refresh, you'll see that it's been imported from the old website, from NetPlus system to NetPlus training. So let's refresh that. And now it's done. It's imported. So this, like I said, this works well for websites that are not so large. If you're working to a very large site, then you might want to do it manually. So there's a link in the description for that. And another plugin you can use is Duplicator plugin. But all-in-one WP migration plugin is a very good plugin to use. So I hope you like this video. Thank you and bye-bye. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on notification.